Sub-Lieutenant Astha Poonia has reached where no Indian woman has so far. Standing tall in her crisp white uniform, she made history as the first woman ever to join the Indian Navy's fighter aircraft stream. For the first time, a woman in the Navy would be trained how to fly combat fighter jets, launching and landing from aircraft carriers at the sea. It's high-stake frontline stuff. Astha earned her wings of gold at INS Tiga in Vishakhapatnam alongside Lieutenant Atul. But what made the moment special was that she wasn't just graduating, she was breaking new ground. Until now, women in the Navy flew helicopters and reconnaissance planes. Fighter missions, there was off limits, but not anymore, and Astha is not alone. Just days before her milestone on May 30th, something changed, quietly but powerfully. The first batch of women cadets at the National Defense Academy marched in sync with their male counterparts. For decades, the NDA was all males. Watching the moment unfold, it felt like a big shift. And it's not just about uniforms or drills, it's about finally seen as equal in places that never imagined it. We are also seeing women take the lead in major military operations. Remember Operation Sindoor? When India responded to terrorist strikes across the border, two women, Colonel Sophia Qureshi and Wing Commander Vyomika Singh, were chosen to brief the world. Calm, clear, confident. They weren't just a part of a mission, they were the face of it. In the skies, the squadron leader Shivangi Singh, India's only women Rafale pilot. Growing up in Varanasi, she once visited the Air Force Museum in Delhi. That visit sparked a dream, and now she flies one of the most advanced fighter jets in the world. Going back a bit, there is Gunjan Saxena. During the Kargil War, she flew rescue and surveillance missions right into danger zones, dodging bullets, staying focused. Her courage opened eyes. Even earlier, Priya Chingan. In 1992, she was just a college student who simply asked, "Why can women join army?" She wrote to the army chief, and he wrote back. Years later, Priya became cadet number 001, the first woman to join Indian Army. And before all of them, there was Wing Commander Vijay Lakshmi Ramanan. She joined the Army Medical Corps in 1955 and was posted to the Air Force. Long before headlines or hashtags, she quietly made history as the first woman officer in the Indian Air Force. Every one of these women just did not step into a role. They created space where none existed. They did not wait for permission, they showed up. They flew, they led, they marched. They did not follow the path, they built it. Let us know what you think about this video. We'll see you in the next one.